In this video, I'll be showing you how to change your mass airflow sensor on a 2007 to 2013 Chevy Silverado. First thing you want to do is remove the negative terminal on the battery. To remove the cable, push down on the tab and pull out. Using a T15 torque, you're going to remove these two screws. With the screws and wire removed, you could just pull out the sensor. Now you could put in the new sensor. Screw in both bolts. And clip in the wire harness. Now you can put back the negative terminal on the battery.